Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your go-to destination for the most inspiring home decor and interior design ideas. Today we are exploring 12 brilliant industrial chic styling tips specifically tailored for compact modern spaces to maximize both grit and grace. You will learn how to balance raw textures with sleek finishes to make your small home feel like a high-end urban loft. If you enjoy these design insights, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more creative home transformations. An exposed brick wall serves as the ultimate foundation for any industrial chic aesthetic in a small apartment. By keeping the surrounding walls white, you prevent the dark textures from making the room feel claustrophobic or dim. This raw element adds immediate history and character to a modern build without requiring extra floor space. It provides a rugged backdrop that pairs beautifully with minimalist furniture and soft, ambient lighting. Utilizing vertical space is crucial in compact living, and metal pipe shelving offers a sturdy, airy solution. These open units provide essential storage while maintaining a visual see-through quality that keeps the room feeling expansive. The combination of dark iron piping and reclaimed wood planks creates a striking contrast against neutral walls. You can display your favorite books and greenery here to soften the industrial edge of the metal. Polished concrete floors offer a seamless, reflective surface that helps bounce light around a tight living area. This sleek finish eliminates the visual clutter of grout lines or wood seams, creating a continuous flow between rooms. It is incredibly durable and easy to maintain, making it perfect for high-traffic urban dwellings. The cool gray tones of the concrete serve as a sophisticated neutral base for plush rugs and warm wood accents. In a small space, every piece of furniture should work overtime, and gear-driven adjustable tables are a perfect fit. These mechanical wonders can transform from a low coffee table to a dining height desk with a simple crank. The visible wheels and cogs celebrate the beauty of machinery, while solving the problem of limited surface area. Choosing a piece with a slim metal frame ensures the furniture doesn't overwhelm the visual landscape of your home. Swapping out standard light fixtures for matte black industrial pendants can instantly define different zones in an open-concept studio. Edison bulbs with warm filaments add a vintage glow that counteracts the coldness of metal and stone materials. Use track lighting to highlight specific architectural features or artwork without taking up any precious floor or table space. These sharp black silhouettes act like jewelry for your ceiling, providing a sophisticated and cohesive finishing touch. Traditional swinging doors consume a significant amount of floor clearance that compact homes simply cannot afford to lose. A sliding barn door made of reclaimed wood and heavy iron hardware slides flat against the wall to save space. This functional element doubles as a piece of large-scale wall art, adding texture and warmth to your entryway or bedroom. It provides a tactile, industrial transition between rooms while maintaining a clean and modern layout. Opting for slim-profile cognac leather chairs with steel frames adds luxury and old-world charm to a modern interior. The thin metal legs keep the floor visible, which is a key trick for making small rooms appear larger than they are. Leather is a natural material that patines beautifully over time, adding to the lived-in industrial vibe of the space. These pieces are often lightweight enough to be moved around easily when entertaining guests in a tight floor plan. Replacing solid cabinet doors with wire mesh or perforated metal panels adds an industrial warehouse feel to a compact kitchen. This technique allows for a hint of visibility into your storage, which creates a sense of depth and openness. It is an excellent way to break up a heavy wall of cabinetry that might otherwise feel oppressive in a small galley. The metallic sheen reflects light and adds a subtle texture that complements stainless steel appliances perfectly. A large floor mirror with a chunky metal frame is a powerful tool for doubling the perceived size of a compact room. Leaning the mirror against a wall instead of mounting it adds a casual, effortless artist loft vibe to the decor. Position it opposite a window to capture natural light, and project it into the darker corners of your home. This simple addition creates an illusion of depth while serving as a bold statement piece in an industrial-themed bedroom. A curated gallery wall featuring black and white photography or architectural blueprints fits the industrial aesthetic without cluttering the visual field. Using identical black frames creates a sense of order and rhythm that calms the eye in a busy, small space. Focus on themes like cityscapes, machinery, or abstract geometry to reinforce the urban theme of your styling. Keeping the color palette restricted helps the room feel organized and intentionally designed rather than cramped. A vintage factory cart with large iron wheels makes for an iconic and mobile coffee table in an industrial living room. Its low profile keeps sightlines clear, which helps maintain an airy feel across the seating area. The heavy-duty casters allow you to easily roll the table aside when you need extra floor space for exercise or guests. It serves as a great conversation starter that bridges the gap between rugged history and modern utility. Softening the hard edges of industrial design is essential, and lush indoor plants provide the perfect organic contrast. Placing your greenery in minimalist concrete or galvanized steel pots maintains the theme while adding a necessary pop of life. Strategic placement of tall plants can help define corners and add vertical interest to a compact modern apartment. We hope these tips inspire your next project. So please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration.